Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful video. I know today is Friday and I'm going to make a special sandwich. You know what? Only for you and also for Gabriel. And his beautiful boy right.
Bow Wow.
Wow. That's a beautiful name. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. First step is we're going to wash our hands. This is a small store, a small deli, but we have a big heart. Our sausage, egg and cheese on a hero with home fries inside. That's a crazy sandwich. I know, Gabriel, that's your fault. This is the home fries. So we're gonna put some butter in here. Let me turn on this. We're gonna grab some onions and peppers. I know it's very easy to get onions and peppers almost everywhere. So this is not going to get our... Oh man, there's no more heroes. You want a roll?
Yeah, I'll take a roll.
Be amazing. Okay, that's the sausage thing. Look, this is a good sausage. I got a feeling that this video is gonna come up really good. 2 eggs. I don't know why I'm screaming these days, but you know, I actually got barely I'm excited or something like that. I'm gonna grab 2 eggs. But this is the way I shake up. I shake them. We're going to use Colby cheese for this sandwich. All right, 2 slices. So now I'm going to wait until the cheese gets melted, because that's another secret to have a delicious crispy sandwich.
How beautiful is it?
Probably you know, but this is what I know. This sauce, it has turned so popular here in the store and also I think everywhere, because people start eating it spicy. That's nice. The cheese is gonna get melted. Look. Tony, look at the sandwich, Tony.
The Aki way.
Now this is better.
Nice.
This is way better. That's a nice sandwich, huh? Okay, Tony, try it. How is it, Tony?
Very good. I swear to God, good cook.
Next time you want something really delicious, go to your nearest store and ask for a sausage, egg and cheese with home fries on a roll. It tastes so delicious. I'll see you next time. Thank you, Gabriel, for holding this camera. This guy in town. That was nice.
Alright, listen man, make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Maybe tomorrow.